If you really want to learn how to build your first robot, you first need to learn how to create programs and load them onto the Microbit. When I say build a robot, I don't mean from a kit. I mean build one from parts like Legos, motors, and wheels. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create your first program for the Microbit using the free code editor MakeCode. Then you'll learn how to test your program. Finally, you'll learn how to download your program onto the Microbit. You'll need a computer, laptop, or a Chromebook with an internet connection. You'll need a Microbit version 2 and a USB cable to connect it to your computer. Go to makecode.com and then click the image that is labeled Microbit. Next, click on the purple rectangle labeled New Project. You'll be prompted for a name for your project. Enter Show Me My Name. On the side of the screen, there is a picture of the Microbit. It's actually a simulator that'll let you test your program. Next to the simulator are a bunch of colored categories. Each of these categories is a type of block. When you click on one of these categories, it shows you all the blocks in that category. Next to this is the code area, where you can drag and drop blocks to make your project. Try dragging a block inside the OnStart block and then running the simulator to see what happens. When you're ready to load a program onto the Microbit, you have to do 3 things. First, you have to make sure that the Microbit is connected to your computer using the USB cable. Second, you need to click on the purple download button in MakeCode to download your program to your computer. Third, you need to drag the downloaded file, also called the hex file, onto the drive that appeared on your computer after you plugged the Microbit into it. Once you have done this third step, the Microbit lights will flash for a few seconds while it is loading your program onto the Microbit. Time for a challenge. Download the challenge guide from the link in the description below this video. In this next lesson, you will learn how to make the Microbit run code when one of its buttons is pressed.